What's up, everybody? Crazy Eights here with another Fanhome build for the Millennium Falcon. This time we're on step 13. Here's the magazine, and let's take a look at the magazine before we get into the build itself. The Millennium Falcon, early history. Former registrations. We got Young Lando. Fact file. This is all about the Millennium Falcon itself, and I guess the original owner. Heavily modified. Empire Strikes Back. We're escaping the asteroid beast. Cloud City. Secret to space flight. Recycle parts. Here's the interior of the cockpit itself. These components used to make the scene. Spare part around C3PO's costume. Yeah, so they use C3PO as part of the cockpit. Interesting. And then our next parts. So we're gonna be doing this interior. We're gonna be putting up the walls and adding more stuff to this main base right here. This is what comes in it, but we're not using all of this. We're only using the screws, the tubing, and these things. The outer hull and all that, it's going to be used for a later build. So let's get into it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the chest table on. It may or may not need glue. Down some. Don't look like it needs any glue. Yeah, that's in there pretty well. Gotta make sure that it's lined up properly with the seat. Let's see. Okay, so there we go. Got the table in. All right, so we snapped in the far wall to the back of it. Here we go. And now we're taking this piece and we're going to snap it into this piece over here like this. So we have that. We got a corner. It's gonna be straightened up with screws. So you got two screw holes back here that's gonna be screwed in. It's gonna be screwed in too. Probably glue it, but let's see. So those are gotta be done. We gotta use these. Right now I got screws. I got more than enough screws. look the same. Let me do that now. All right, so here's the screw that secured it in. So now we have the walls up for this side of the Falcon. All right, so the next step is we'll put on a pipe support on this side of the wall. I just started it. I gotta add 2 more screws and then tighten them up. So here is the pipe support wall on this side. So we got this going on so far, which looks pretty good. So this panel was secured with 2 studs on. I don't know if you can see it. Get a close up. There's a stud there and a stud down here with some glue to secure this wall into place. And now we're taking this back wall and we're putting it behind here. So that's gonna snap in down here like that. So it looks like this. So you have that going on. So they were secured in with some screws on this side. So this ain't going anywhere. So the next step is we're taking this computer, and we're fitting a hose onto the back of it. We're gonna glue it in to look like this. Here we go, it's all glued in. Just gonna let it dry for a little bit. Okay, and here it is plugged in to the wall. So in this corner right here is gonna go this little pipe that we're just gonna glue into the side over here. I'm gonna do that off camera. All right, I glued that in as well. So now we're gonna take these pipes and we're gonna lay them down. So we're gonna lay some pipe. Jokes write themselves. So these 2 pipes are gonna go, it looks like this one goes here, but I think they line up. I think they line up with, I think it lines up with this stuff. And this one would have to probably go like right here. So that's what they're gonna look like once they're installed. And you got these 2 little ones that look like they're gonna go down here. So let's get these glued in and set up. What we're doing is we lay down these 2 little pipes and these 2 over here. And then we got these pipe supports that we got to run along here that we're going to glue in. And they're going to clip in and sit like this. So we're going to, I'm going to glue these in and do that now. So this is how it's looking so far, the piping. I'm gluing these in so they stay in more secure. But this one's going to go right here. Oh. Well, you saw where it goes. Gonna let that dry for a little bit before putting this one on. All right, so here's the pipes installed. And now we're at the home stretch. We just gotta put in these brackets, and there's 5 of them that are gonna go along here. So let me glue these in and then put it in. All right, so this is the finished product for this build, which is the interior part of the Falcon, or part of it. So we put up the walls, we mounted some more wiring, we make sure that all this is flushed in, we put in the computer, and we put in some wiring along with some brackets over here. So finally we're getting some pieces together as opposed to just grabbing pieces and not doing anything with them. So it's coming along. We got progress. And we got pieces together finally. Now it looks like something. Alright, that was this stage of the build. Hope you guys enjoyed it.